With only a few days to go to the election, you will now very soon be asked to vote. You know what motivates us in Plaid. It's by working together we can improve the lives of the people of Wales. And that means electing local champions. People will put your communities first. People who will not be there at the behest of big business, but actually be there as independently minded MPs, working for you, working for your communities. Because after all, they'd be people who share your concerns. We know what your concerns are. It'll be about your job, your home, your family. Those are the concerns that we share. If you, like us, think in these difficult times, we have to protect our pensioners, our schools, our hospitals and our jobs, then it's time to think Plaid. Plaid is the only party going into this election to break that Westminster consensus, that cosy metropolitan mindset which led us into this mess in the first place. In this election, what we are pledging is to invest in our businesses so that they can create more jobs. And what we want to do is to create a stronger and more prosperous country. Now let's be honest about this. There are going to be cuts, and Labour is promising to cut deeper than even Margaret Thatcher. The Tories want to cut even deeper than that, and the Liberal Democrats, of course, are proposing savage cuts. It is only Plaid that's going to be on the side of the people of Wales in this election. With a balanced Parliament, we can secure the best deal for Wales and the best deal for our communities. If you feel let down by the same old parties and the same old politics, if you want somebody to stand up for your communities, then it's time to think Plaid. And the better the vote for Plaid, the better the deal for the people of Wales.